he's got it. Getting that back out of the way.
How's it going? Tire spot?
Yeah.
Back and around the corner. Ah, say there's a tire issue. Go, Dave, go. You got a permit for this?
What's in this thing? What is it?
250 coming.
A 250 Cummins. A little bit that way. A little bit. Straight. Yeah. Come on, Dave. Come on, buddy.
That's good.
That's pretty good. Well, they were definitely steel belted.
Yeah.
Look at the key. Oh, well, the rim ain't yet.
Nope.
You're lucky, Matt.
This tire's gonna do the same thing. How can you tell? It's all up on the side. It's what? It's all bulging almost.
Feel it? Feel it, Matt? Here, lay your hands on it.
Oh, it's got this thing going.
Yes.
Well, that one's rotten.
Yeah.
It's not good for him, man.
No.
You can see all the cracks and everything right through here.
It's a good thing the tire wasn't aired up and somebody didn't try and drive it back to barrier.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it would have blown out on you anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. I don't know how we got as much time on it as we did. I guess 2 were new that you put on.
So Dave, tomorrow morning?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Fuck it. Okay, thanks, Donnie.
Yeah,
We're out of here.
No problem, anytime.
Appreciate it, bud. Okay.
See you guys later.
Yeah. Safe trip home.
You gonna get a tire for this shit box?
Yes, so at some point, yeah.
Okay.
You guys tire dealers?
No.
Not for that size. What is that?
It's like a 47 or something, I think.
That's like $200.
395, 85 R20s.
Just phone Cal Tire and see if somebody doesn't have a bald one that'll hold there.
Is there a tire place behind the shop?
Yeah, but I doubt they're gonna have one.
You
Probably.
got talk to Cal Tire and Salmon Arm and Kamloops tomorrow.
Yeah, wherever there's a retread plant, they probably have a bunch of them.
Yeah, right.
A couple $100.
Whatever.
Are they all bulging like that?
Yeah, but don't change them till the rest of them blow out.
Right.
You'll go broke buying these tires.
No, fuck no.
And they're probably 1,000 a piece, 2,000 a piece.
Well, at least 800 a piece, probably.
Yeah.
That's insane,
Yeah, well, I need to cut the diffs out of this for my bogger.
Holy.
Like how many? Like,
What kind of front diff is that?
It's a Rockwell, probably. Top loader. Yeah, Rockwell.
So the drive shaft goes in the top, and then there's gear reduction to spin the tires.
Yeah. And then it should have a brake on the back of the axle, I think, or on the diff. Oh, maybe not. I don't know, I can't tell.
Holy f, that's pretty funky looking.
Yeah.
They're all top loaders.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, a lot of these diffs are getting around in boggers now because they're the only ones that are holding up.
It's a 6x6, right? So it's 6-wheel drive?
Yes.
This thing won't get stuck anywhere.
Oh, you want to bet?
Yeah, you'll sink it. Look how heavy it is.
Oh, look how rotten this tire is over here.
Oh yeah, that one's gonna go.
That one's gonna explode. Yep.
Step away from the tire. Let's get the out of here before something else goes wrong.
Okay, have your mic on. Good to go?
Yeah. I'm just gonna chain it down.
Okay, thanks, buddy. Okay.
Yeah.